Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can post multiple photos to Instagram story with songs. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. If you didn't select any post or like the picture or the photos that you want to add in your story, you have to first select them and then comes in your Instagram. And as you can see, once you comes in your Instagram, you will see on the top your story. So you have to do is click on this plus icon below your profile. So once you click on that, you can simply select any of the picture that you want to add in your profile or the multiple photos that you want to add in it. So you can see over here on the top, click on that, select, and once you select all pictures or the photos that you want to add in your story, you have to do is simply select them. As you can see over here, the 6 pictures that I want to select for my story, so you can simply select any one of these so in your gallery that you want to add in your story. So first you have to select them and then click on this arrow goes to the right. So once you click on this, it comes in your profile or your story. So as you can see, you can select all of these and you can simply edit your stories like them you want to add it for you. So once you satisfied with this, you have to see over here, you can see over here the left side menu over here. You can see you have to do is click on audio to select your music that you want to add in it. You can see over here bunch of audios over here. You can see you can select it from for you, trending, or original audio as well, or you can see it in your saved. So once you select any of the music, you have to do is select any music and then click on next, and then click on again right side arrow, and then it's gonna be uploaded to your story. As you can see, click on your story or your story share will options over here. You can simply click on these and you can simply select it if you want to add it in your Facebook as well, or you don't want to do this, you have to simply click on share. So it's gonna be shared to your Instagram story as well. So once you see over here, it's gonna be uploading. You can see over here it's posted on your Instagram. So that's it. That's how you can do it to post multiple photos to Instagram with with music. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.